Hello friends, myself Rohit. Today I will discuss machine learning important question series part 6. So let's start to first question. K-fold cross validation is. So the right answer is this question option A, linear in K. Next question. Let us say we have computed the gradient of our cost function and stored in a vector G. What is the cost of one gradient descent update given the gradient? So the right answer is this question is option number A. Next question. Logistic regression is a dash regression technique that is used to model data having a dash outcome. So the right answer is logistic regression is a nonlinear and regression technique that used to model data having a binary outcome. So the right answer is this question is option number D. Next question. Machine learning technique differ from statistical technique in that machine learning method. So the right answer is this question is are better able to deal with missing noisy data. So the right answer is option number B. Is that correct? Next question. Regarding bias and variance, which of the following statement are true? So the model which overfit have a low bias and underfit have a low variance. So the right answer is option number D. Next question. Regression tree are often used to model dash data. So the regression tree I have already discussed in the previous question is a non-linear data. So the right answer is option number B. Selecting data so as a assured that each class is properly represented in both the training and test set. So the right answer is stratification. Option B. Next question. Simple regression assume a relation dash relationship between the input attribute and output attribute. So the right answer is simple regression assume a linear relationship. Option A is the correct. Next question. Supervised learning and unsupervised clustering both require at least one. So the right answer is this question is hidden attributes. Next question. Suppose your model is overfitting. Which of the following is not a valid way to try and reduce the overfitting? So the not a valid way to try and reduce the overfitting is improve the optimization algorithm being used for the error minimization. So option B is the correct. Next question. The adjusted multiple coefficient of the determination accounts for. So the right answer is this question is option number D, none of the above. Next question. The average positive difference between the computed and desired outcome value. So the right answer is mean positive error. Next question. The average squared a difference between the classifier predicted output and actual output. So the right answer is mean squared error. The correlation between the number of years an employee has worked from the company and the salary of the employee is 0.75. What can be said about the employee's salary and year worked? So the right answer is this question is individual that have worked for the company the longest have higher salary. So the right answer is option number B. The correlation coefficient for the two real valued attributes is 0.85. What this value tell you? So the right answer is as the value of one attribute increase, the value of the second attribute increase. So the right answer is option number C. Next question. The leaf nodes of a model tree are. So the right answer is this question is linear regression equation. The multiple coefficient of the determination is the computed by. So the right answer dividing SST by SSC. The process of forming general concept definition for the example concept to be learned. So the right answer is induction. The standard error is defined as the square root of the computation. So the right answer to this question is the sample variance divided by the total number of sample instance. Next question. The clustering algorithm initially assumed that each data instance represent a single cluster. So the right answer is this question is K means clustering. सो फ्रेंड्स ये वीडियो आपको अच्छी लगी तो मेरे चैनल को लाइक एंड सब्सक्राइब और शेयर ज़रूर करें और ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा बच्चों को ये वीडियो शेयर करें ताकि उनके एग्ज़ाम के लिए हेल्पफुल हो तो थैंक यू फ्रेंड्स।